Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a product requirements page in Confluence. To get started, open Confluence and make sure you're on the overview page for the space where you want to create your new page. This is the best place to begin because it gives you access to the space navigation and the tools needed to create from a template. Once you are on the overview page, move your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. In some spaces, not every option is visible right away, so you may need to scroll down a little to find what you need. Take your time here and look for the option labeled More. If your navigation panel feels crowded, this is completely normal, and scrolling slowly can help you avoid missing it. When you find More, click it to expand additional options for the space. This section usually contains extra tools and resources that are not shown in the main navigation by default. From the menu that appears, click Template. This will take you to the template area where Confluence provides a range of ready-made page layouts designed for different kinds of work. Using a template is helpful because it gives you a structured starting point instead of building the page completely from scratch. After the template gallery opens, look for the search icon and click it. Search is the fastest way to locate the exact template you need, especially if there are many options available. In the search field, type Product Requirements. As you enter the text, Confluence should begin narrowing the list of templates. This makes it easier to quickly find the correct page type without manually browsing through the full collection. When you see product requirements in the results, click on it to open the template preview. This is a useful moment to confirm that you have selected the right template for your needs. The preview helps you understand the layout and sections that will be included, so you know what kind of content the page is built to support. Finally, click Use Template. This creates a new product requirements page based on the selected format and opens it for editing. From there, you can begin customizing the page with your own project details, goals, features, and other requirement information. And that's it. You've successfully opened the product requirements template in Confluence and are ready to start building a clear, organized requirements page.